Live from wherever you are right now, it's the news!
Hi, my name is Berkeley. I have some bad news. The rainforest is out of whack. Things are changing and animals and plants have nothing to eat. Everybody is going crazy. I'm going to give it to the critic.
Hi, my name is Riley. The typical weather in the rainforest is 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh no, the weather is out of whack because of the pollution. What kind of plant live there? I can tell you, trees, flowers, and so on. Now back to Berkeley.
That was great, Riley. Now we're going to go on to the weather girl.
Hi, this is Kate in the rainforest. It is supposed to be 8 degrees, but now it is 10 degrees. All the plants and animals are having a hard time growing because of the pollution. There has been acid rain that are killing plants and animals. The animals have no habitats. Now back to Berkeley.
Thanks for letting us know the new weather. Now it's on you to eye in the sky.
I'm good and I'm currently flying over the rainforest, and because of the acid rain, the trees are dying and I can see capybaras and the plastic flowers. But what you would usually see is trees that are so dense it takes 10 minutes for rain to touch the ground and many birds. Now back to Berkeley.
Wow, thanks for the information. Now for the last one, the reporter.
Hi, I'm Lucas. The ecosystem is back to normal because people help pick up trash in the rainforest. Thank you anyone who helped out with the trash. Animals living now. Rabbit eating grass. Watch out, wolf. Back to you, Berkeley.
Great, now everything is back to normal. Thanks for watching the news. Woohoo!